Welcome to AI Explains It All. Today we're exploring the intriguing history of quantum mechanics, a field that revolutionized. Welcome to AI Explains It All. Today we're exploring the intriguing history of quantum mechanics, a field that revolutionized. The journey into quantum mechanics began in the early 20th century with a group of pioneering scientists. Classical physics could not explain certain phenomena like the behavior of light and the stability of atoms. This led to the birth of quantum theory. In 1900, Max Planck made a groundbreaking discovery while studying blackbody radiation. He proposed that energy is quantized, meaning it can be emitted or absorbed in discrete units called quanta. This was the first step towards quantum mechanics. Building on Planck's work, Albert Einstein in 1905 explained the photoelectric effect, showing that light itself is quantized into particles called photons. This demonstrated that light has both wave-like and particle-like properties. In 1913, Niels Bohr introduced his model of the atom, incorporating quantum ideas to explain the stability of electrons in orbits around the nucleus. Bohr's model was crucial in advancing atomic theory. Werner Heisenberg in 1927 formulated the uncertainty principle, stating that it is impossible to know both the position and momentum of a particle with absolute precision. This principle is a cornerstone of quantum mechanics, highlighting the probabilistic nature of the quantum world. Erwin Schrödinger in 1926 developed wave mechanics, describing how particles can be represented as wave functions. His famous Schrödinger equation is fundamental to quantum mechanics, predicting how quantum systems evolve over time. The principles of quantum mechanics have led to numerous technological advancements, including semiconductors, lasers, and quantum computing. It has fundamentally changed our understanding of reality at the smallest scales. And that's a brief history of quantum mechanics. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to AI Explains It All for more fascinating explanations. Have a topic you want us to cover? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching.